In this video, I'll show you how to fix visual stability issues on Shopify using two quick methods. What you're going to do is first click onto settings and then click onto app and sales channels. Now check if you have recently installed any apps, as external apps can cause layout or loading glitches. Now click onto the three dots here and then choose uninstall and then uninstall the app. Now another method. Now if you see that it's still not working, what you can do is you can go to your Google and type enable lazy loading Shopify and click enter. Then click on the first link and scroll down until you come over here on the lazy loading slate. Scroll more down and you'll see a code here. Copy this code. Either click here or just right click and then click copy. Then what you're going to do is then go back to your Shopify app and then go to settings again and then go to online stores here and then click onto themes. Then you'll see your current theme here. Click onto this three dot button and then you'll see many options here. Click onto edit code. Once you click on edit code, you'll see this page. Now check for this head here. Click on this and press enter. Then you'll see a space here. Then right click and then click paste. So you're basically pasting this code over here. After that, click on save. Now once you clicked on save, this enables lazy loading, which speeds up your node, your store, and improves visual stability. Now if this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.